This week on Entertainment Recap, Shenseea with another freestyle. Statious Cops win for Jamaica Festival Song Competition. Pretty Pretty delivers Sadie in the UK. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Dancehall artist Shenseea is now trending yet again with her new freestyle on the Skillibeng's Crocodile Teeth rhythm. As her attempts to break out in the American mainstream gets more evident lately, she manages to make her mark on the radio Hot 97 with host Funk Master Flex. The Shenyang boss lady effortlessly freestyle on the Crocodile Teeth rhythm. The freestyle did indeed have a positive ripple effect as her fans comment on the freestyle, cheering her on, even making comments about Shenseea being the next possible Rihanna.
So sick it can't fix even if me take the vaccine. Me had the full package hotter than a fever stove, can't even hold a heat. Yeah, I'm know my heart I gonna make history like the Mona Lisa. Faster than a cheetah, them can't catch me by a millimeter. Fly with Paul, fly with Peter, I don't need a distraction. Just being honest, little about Talawa from Kingston Parish. True me never man, them wonder if me in the closet, so I left them I wonder, you know, like Alice. But them not boy like me. Me dep on a different level high key. So how my thing loud, me not show ID. And if I never know, what am I looking at?
Let's give it up for dancehall artist Statious for winning this year's 2021 Jamaica Festival Song Competition.
Let's welcome the winner for 2021, Statious! 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 Wow!
This is a new day, and I'm thankful for another chance to win. I am a fighter, a survivor, and I'm never giving in.
Statious, being the fourth female who has won the Jamaica Festival Song Competition, walks away with her trophy and 3 million Jamaican dollars. The song titled Jamaican Spirit, which leaves you encouraged and motivated after listening the winning melody. Take a look at her performance at the Festival Song Competition night.
This is a new day, and I'm thankful for another chance to win. I am a fighter, a survivor, and I'm never giving in. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail, never been afraid to try again. Never gonna stop, never gonna fail, never been afraid to try again.
From a little and I grew hard work, I will me know I may never ever have a next choice. I feel make hay with the sun face, fears of the run. I feel satisfy and learn sacrifice. Never have everything, no it never easy. But me live good wouldn't change it, believe me. My make sure all me grow respect me. Be sure take a little bit, make everything.
Veteran dancehall and reggae artist Buju Banton is not pleased with males doing the dirt bunks.
Dirt, 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 everybody get your bunks, watch ya. Dirt, 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 everybody get your bunks, watch ya.
The wannabe loved singer voiced his opinion on his Instagram live dubbed Buju Drive Time Live, and this is what he had to say after pausing the dirt bunks music.
We grew up when the women are dancing and some boy push them out of the way. We are going to move them back out of the way and make the woman them stay. Dance all for life.
Dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks.
Almost 2 years, you know, we under lockdown, no party, we can't go, police are, can you hear me? Yo, this is Baby Shark, and you're locked in to Entertainment Recap on PBCJ. Can you hear me? Good, we're keeping it lawless. Banging.
The Dolls, TC, Rebel, and Pretty Pretty are on their UK tour dubbed Buzzing. But Pretty Pretty gave a seamless performance at Kemet FM. Alright, go. Back now.
Yeah, like Sadie, you want pick big one with a dolly. And your man still want me, and you be stress free, and my life still happy. Worse, we gonna do up for body. Traffic, makeup can't help, all it for magic. Skin stop him out, stink like vomit.
This week, new music comes from Shano with Learn, Leila IK with Brother Shots, and I Care with Action Pack. Take a look.
When me I go learn, to stop sorry for people and put myself first. When me I go learn, to stop sorry for some people. When me I go learn, to stop smile, do not like me, I'ma know me enough to make my back turn. When me I go learn, to stop sorry for some people. Those who give 100 cents, that's so dark me is. Give them my heart, my ribs, and some small feeling. All of we could learn even though the class is big. Me play fool fi catch wise, that's so smart me is. Always I make them pick me eat and I put off. Me kids ask them who catch them when them jump off the bridge. Me nah like them people ya pass wicked hard pan a rocket send it off here so far it is. Me need a college chico come me feel it is more than once. Me give them 100% with zero balance. It never did make no sense. Me give them money off a fussy the whole of them see them crab in a bag. When me I go learn to stop sorry for people and put myself first. When me I go learn to stop sorry for some people. When me I go learn to stop smile, do not like me, I'ma know me enough to make my back turn. When me I go learn to stop sorry for some people.
I see them dealing with the youth, them like an asset. Selling out with daughters, we put money in them pocket. On the youth, them lock it long before them in them teens. No English, mathematics, just somatic in them genes. Say that the regime, autocratic with the scheme. Cycle now go stop it as dramatic as it seems. Our children, them have dreams in their eyes and see the gleam. We need to make them know so them a king and them a queen. When the little girl a walk, just slow and make she pass. Every day you want your dirty big man friend a talk about her. Ride a shot, so no one fi take it off. I lurking at the dark of them, you think you'll get my cross. Mommy, where is your daughter? Oh, Papa, where is your son? What's gonna happen to a future when we thought that them lost and we son of us gone? Oh, mommy, where is your daughter? Oh, Papa, where is your son? What's gonna happen to a future when we thought that them lost and we son of us gone?
I'm a good girl and him no know. No, so I can be better than him no know that either. The first thing when I give me all, I'm in the sure of you. I'm not run back on no boy, I'm begging for show me no feelings. I'll be the one just trick him, do me think cut, keep moving. Tell me you love me but you ain't showing nothing. Oh, you a go feel it for another man. Start touching something, swell up me belly like it's a pumpkin. Round the wall of the road, find down and I'm a garden like says a tree growing. But up the wall of the grass past, there was the past, keep the water flowing. Need some satisfaction, real satisfaction. So much man around can't want me, and you they a hold back on the action. Need some satisfaction, deep penetration. Tired of the do when you want fire now, me need the compassion. Action over word, you still a talk when me close to you fly like bird. Me not like bird, heavy light hit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to y'all. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Junior Gang, Damian Junior Gang Marley, Rita Marley, Wayne Wonder. Hear what? Continue doing great jobs and always and forever big up who? You. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Remember, it's PBC Jamaica. And thanks to Ear Candy Collection, of course, for my earrings every week. Remember to follow them on their social media platforms as well at the Ear Candy Collection. I'm your girl, Alicia. See you next time.